windstorm upsets Russian region. As reported on Friday, September 3rd, a severe windstorm with rain and gusts of up to 130 km per hour caused much damage in Russia's Prokhladnensky district in the Kabardino-Balkar Republic. The National Emergencies Ministry stated that 2 people's injuries required hospitalization, while over 600 houses and other structures were damaged across numerous settlements. The storm also resulted in loss of power for 10,000 residents, as well as water outages for many buildings.
Police were quick to respond in evacuating vulnerable populations such as the elderly and the ill, along with providing follow-up services to help restore the area to normal function. Meanwhile, government-directed damage assessment is already underway to compensate those who suffered material loss. Supreme Master Cheng Hai asked our association members to please check with local governments and other agencies to find out if extra help is needed and, if possible, go to see if the victims need urgent aid. She also added that financial assistance is available as necessary. Russian Emergencies Ministry, police personnel and other officials, we appreciate your timely and meaningful assistance, as well as Supreme Master Cheng Hai's caring concern. With heaven's grace, may our efforts toward more considerate care of the environment help minimize such disturbances as these.